Going to be unboxing a new Sanyo Roku TV, 32-inch Smart HD TV, LED LCD. So here we go. Okay, there's the feet for it. We'll just pull it out of the box. Oh, there's the instruction manual. Put that over there. Now we'll take the TV out. There we go. There's nothing else inside the box. Turn it around here. There's a power cord. Let's pull up this plastic bag. And there it is. The boxing of the new Sanyo 32-inch TV. So I still got to put the feet on it there, and then I just got to find where the remote is. We'll just put that here right now. Just lean it against that piece of furniture. So I just got to find where the remote is. It's got to be in there somewhere. Here it is in this styrofoam package along with the instructions. And there's the remote for it. And we got the batteries for the remote too. Okay, so I guess that's about it for the unboxing of the new Sanyo TV.